If you love fresh peaches, you must be one happy camper. Because right about now, our stores and farmers markets are starting to get in some super sweet and super juicy peaches. They're so juicy that when you bite into them, the juice runs down your chin. And for those of you who like to bake, there's so much you can do with these. If you're looking for a really easy old-fashioned peach recipe, no worries. We have a Southern peach cobbler that's amazing and is waiting for you on our website. Or if you're more of a cake kind of person, then let me recommend our Peachy Pound Cake. It's rich, buttery, and loaded with chunks of fresh peaches. Another way to turn all those peaches into gold is to toss them in a slow cooker with some sugar, butter, lemon, vanilla, and a few spices and let them simmer. Then add a bit of tapioca to thicken it up and voila, you end up with fresh peach butter that's blue ribbon worthy. And whether you slather this on freshly baked biscuits or top your French toast with it, boy, are you gonna be in for a burst of flavor. To get the recipe for our summer's best peach butter, which has a hint of cinnamon and vanilla, plus the recipe for the cobbler and the pound cake, simply visit our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, and I'm glad today I got to share a few peachy keen ways for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Meteorologist Dana